What should I be looking for in Hyperliquid? I see a bunch of positions, but not much guidance. It's a good question, bro. Start there. That's a good question, dude.
I'm not afraid to die on a treadmill. You might have more talent than me, you might be smarter than me, but if we get on the treadmill together, right, there's two things. You're getting off first,
Yeah.
or I'm going to die. It's really that simple.
I've got a couple of videos I want to watch, so do some studying here. Research, backtest, implement. Research, backtest, implement. Research, backtest, implement. Research, backtest, implement. I did those. I shipped those already. Oh fuck! I gotta build that, dude. I gotta build that ASAP. Can't be watching a motherfucking video. Yo, get the fuck out of here with that bullshit. Fuck out of here with that bullshit, bro. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here with that bullshit, bro. Watch a fucking video. Talking about videos. Talking about watching a motherfucking video. How about you motherfucking make something magical? How about that? You have AI at your fingertips, Moon. Why would you watch a fucking video? It's 12. You could go ahead and have a cup of coffee if you really want to, dude. That's crazy, B. What are you doing? Lock in. It's motherfucking Monday morning, dude. They're just waking up on the West Coast. We've been locked for 6 hours now. Shit, 7.5. Oh my god. I love this game. Just gotta make your systems better and better and better and better and better and better and better. Come up with more ideas. Yo, what's up, Swap? Good to see you again, bro. How are you, dude? I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling here. I got all my must do's done today already, and I'm thinking about just hammering on some more must do's because there's always must do's, dude. How are you, dude? Good to see you again, dude. Much love. 777. Okay, so I want to do that as well. I just got my list down here. Yo, what up, Jermaine? Good to see